In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online using CSV files. We'll walk through this process from the very beginning, starting with preparing your CSV file and then uploading it properly into QuickBooks Online so everything lines up cleanly in your books. First, let's get your CSV file ready. Start by logging into your online banking or credit card portal and download the statement you want to use as a CSV file. Most banks will give you several download options like PDF, Excel, or CSV. Make sure you choose CSV because that's what QuickBooks Online expects for this kind of manual import. Next, open that CSV file in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet program you're comfortable with. You want to clean it up so it only includes 3 columns: date, description, and amount. Delete any extra columns like balance, check number, category, or anything else your bank might have added. Keeping only the 3 core columns helps QuickBooks read the file correctly and reduces the chance of errors during import. Now, look at your date column. Sometimes banks will include the day of the week like TUE or FRI, or they'll use inconsistent formats. Remove any text like that so the column only shows a clear date, and make sure the format is consistent all the way down, such as day, month, year, or month, day, year. Consistent dates are important so QuickBooks can place your transactions in the right period. Then review your amount column. For bank accounts, deposits or money coming in should be positive numbers, and withdrawals or payments should be negative. For credit cards, banks often flip this, so charges might appear as positive and payments as negative. If that's the case, don't worry too much right now, but be aware that you may need to correct the sign direction when you map the fields during the upload. Once everything looks clean and consistent, save the file as a standard CSV format, usually labeled as a Windows CSV or just CSV. Now let's move into QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, go to the Transactions area and then into Bank Transactions, sometimes just called the Banking tab. At the top, look for the option related to connecting or linking accounts. Next to that, you'll see a drop-down. Choose the option that says Upload from File or Upload a File, depending on your version. You'll be prompted to either drag and drop your CSV file or browse your computer to select it. Choose the file you just prepared. After that, QuickBooks will ask you which account these transactions belong to. Pick the correct bank or credit card account from the list, or create a new account if this is the first time you're bringing in transactions for it. Next comes the mapping step. Here, you tell QuickBooks which column in your CSV corresponds to date, which one is description, and which one is amount. Use the drop-downs to match them correctly. This is where you should double-check the sign of your amounts. Make sure income or deposits appear as positive and expenses or payments appear as negative. If everything looks reversed, look for an option to reverse all values and apply it so they display correctly. Once everything is mapped and verified, QuickBooks will show you a preview of the transactions it's about to import. Review that list, select the transactions you want to bring in, and then click Continue. Confirm by choosing Yes, and then finish with Done. Your transactions will now appear in the banking section, ready for you to review, categorize, and add to your books.